Hi guys, Kendra by Oma here. Join me in drafting and sewing this beautiful summer wear. Okay, summer beach wear. You could also use for light outing if you're interested. Let's dive in. I have my rulers here. So the first thing we're going to be doing, we're going to be folding our fabric diagonally. Okay. So we're just going to be folding our fabric in a bias form. That's diagonally, okay? As you can see. The length is actually length 45. Depends on your preference, but 45 is okay. So I folded diagonally. I will come down by my shoulder measurements. Okay, my shoulder measurement is 8. I'll be adding 1 inch, making it 9. Please make sure you place your ruler like this. You're placing your ruler straight. Okay, and you're mapping out 9 inches. Then when you measure from here, from the apex to where you have the shoulder, the measurements take it round. Okay, take it round, so it's going to be like a semicircular form when you open it, as you can see. Now I'm going to be joining it. After joining, I am going to be measuring, okay, 1.5 inches. This will aid us put our elastic. This is actually the neckline. So I'll measure 1.5 inches, okay, round. Hope I'm understood. And then I will be drawing it out using my curve, okay. So now we are done with that. We'll go ahead and measure the length of the fabric. The length I want to be using, length 45. Okay, so I'll measure it round, then I'll cut. I'm cutting for the front part now, as you can see. Then I want to get the waist measurement. The waist measurement is from the upper part, please, to your waist measurement. Okay, your shoulder to your waist. I'm actually taking 16. Now you can make it from your shoulder to your under bust if you do not want the back to be revealing. But I took from my shoulder measurement there down to 16 inches. Okay, I just kept a little notch. That's where I want the back to start from. The back is a see-through. Okay, if that makes sense to you. So let's now fold for the back. Now you can just use the one you folded for the front for the back, then use this for the front. Let me explain to you, because I've already mapped out our measurements in that one initially. So I'll just place it like so. As you can see, place it like so. I'll secure with pins, very important. And then I will be cutting the length out. Remember the waist measurement. Where we took the waist measurement, remember, I'll cut the shoulder measurement out. Okay, then I'll cut the full length as well. The full length is length 45. Remember, from the apex round 45. So we have the front and the back now. Remember, I notched the waist measurement. Okay, I notched the waist measurement. Remember, so I'll do same for the other side too, okay, to get even with it. And then I'll be coming up from the waist measurement by 1.5 inches. We are going to be adding our elastic there too when we fold, if that makes sense. Please, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Now I'll be cutting. Okay, I'll be cutting it out. Where Okay, as you can see, I've cut it out. Now this is for the illusion bra, but I'm not going to be doing it in this tutorial because it's for my online class. Okay, people mostly teach out of this. Okay, it's just the plain one I'm teaching you. And then I'm just taking note of the measurements I want to use. I'll remove that. Now we have the front, we have the back. Let's dive into the sewing process. Okay, this is actually for the rope, 4 inches by any length you want. Okay, this is 4 inches. So this is for the back. This is for the back. What we are going to do now, I'm gonna have to serge all the edges. As you can see, I've serged the edge. I will be placing like so, and I'll be stitching it. Okay, I'll be stitching it on this line. So I've gone ahead to serge the edge too. Okay, this is the front. Remember we took in 1.5 inches, so we are going to be folding it, okay, by 1.5 inches. By 1.5 inches, okay. We'll fold it so that we can insert it, so that the rope can pass through. So now this is the front. Where the rope is going to go through. Okay. Now forget about this. This is like an inner bra. It's an online store. Now this is the back. Okay, we are going to be inserting elastic inside. The waist measurement divided by 4 plus 2 inch seam allowance. So the waist measurement divided by 4, that's 9.5. And waist measurement divided by 4, this is 9.5. I'm adding 2 inches, okay, so this is 11.5. I'll go ahead and cut 11.5. And then with the end of my pin, I'm going to be inserting it, okay. I'll be inserting it. So as you can see, I am done securing it. Please make sure it's straight. Okay, I am done passing it. I am going to be securing it, okay. I'll also secure this piece, okay. This is what we have. What we are going to be doing now, we are going to be joining the front and the back together. You can also hem on the sides before starting. Take note of the waist measurement, let it merge. The front waist and the back waist should be the same. Thank you. You can hem the sides before starting. Like I said, I'll run a stitch. Two sides. So this is how you start sewing. You see this raw edge? Okay, you are going to flip it in like so. Sew it down before you start stitching the sides. So what I do for this side, I'll do for the other side, okay? now. I am
Remember I
going to
said
be
you should stitch
stitching.
on your side. So this is the neck. I'm going to be
Remember,
stitching
this
it
is the hole, so
down.
does that mean I am going to be
Remember the hole.
stitching
Do not stitch the hole,
from
okay?
here?
I'll be stitching it down
Okay, I will stitch
to
from
the
here.
side seams, okay?
I will stitch it down. I will stitch it down. Okay. So I'm done with the sides. I'll be turning it now. This is what we have. We are going to be forming the rope, okay, and the rope we are going to be inserting it, okay. We insert it using pin. The next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to be hemming around, okay. I'll stitch round, and that's basically all. So this is what we have for the front. This is what we have for the. So I'm busted. I just said to do an illusion bra inside, but it's optional. Most people just do it like that, but this is my own invention. It's my online course stuff, so you could just do it the normal way. Now this is the back, that is the front. As you can see, I'll just hem, and we are done with the gown. Thanks for staying tuned. The belts at the sides is optional, okay. You could just add it. I just said to add mine. It's optional. Thanks for watching. I will hem, and that's all. As you can see, I'm hemming now. Like I said, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you on my next one. Bye.